So we feed them every 3 hours, and they take around about, these ones take about a syringe and a half each, the two small ones, where the big one he'll take 2.5. And that is our daughter Anya in the background, talking to her auntie Natasha. This one here, he's about 4 weeks old now. 4.5 weeks in fact. And these two, he's about 3 and he's just under 3 weeks. But they'll put a lot of weight on. Within a week they'll look like this one here. You can see they've got good appetites. And we feed them KT Exact baby formula. And then that's where they live. They live in this incubator here, which is set to around about 32. So it's like living in Tenerife for them. It's got humidifiers and everything. And I just love the food.